This is what I'm going to suggest you do in order to test your uh, emergency water purification system or whatever that involves latent heat vaporization. This is what I suggest you do. Okay, take a 5-gallon bucket and then you pour some water in it, and you could pour some petrol in it too, and put some cooking oil and throw some garbage in it, and you could pee in it, and then throw some dog poop in it or whatever. Take it and make sure it's not filled up too full, so that when you put a nice heavy duty kettle on the inside, that it doesn't come over and roll into the top. You don't want that. But you put a container on the inside, and it has to be heavy because it can't float. It has to set down, into the bottom of it, and it can't float. And it could float. It just can't. It has to be situated so it can't tip over. It can't get any of the nasty polluted water inside of it any other way than latent heat of vaporization. Okay. So then once you get that all situated, you could take your concave lid so that whatever vapor is produced actually drips in to the empty pot. Okay. You just set it out in the sun. And when the latent heat of vaporization starts to take place and it starts to fill up the container on the inside of the 5-gallon bucket, and then you can take a look at it and monitor it. And when there gets enough water or whatever it is in there to sample, then you take it into a lab and have it tested, and then see what you got. That's the surefire way to go there. Okay? In order to figure out whether you can really get purified water from latent heat of vaporization. Kind of have my doubts, really, but I haven't done that experiment. I really haven't.